It's deadly to go out on fragile ice. So ended the first week of winter. In the metropolitan area, air temperatures most of the time kept in the negative zone, but on average it is still a little higher than normal, and there have been no severe frosts. The season low is still -6 degrees in the Russian capital, but the region has already experienced one thaw, and today is approaching the next. At the same time, the snow cover is pretty high and ranges from 2 to 18 centimeters. In such a situation, and water bodies are covered with a white blanket, and it seems that the ice on them is already quite strong. But it is not so. The thickness of ice on regional bodies of water varies from 0 to 7 centimeters. All sites are dangerous to visit. The ice is frozen unevenly. It is still very early to go out on the fragile ice edge. Any such walk is deadly. There were 159 people and 53 units of equipment involved in the patrol. Rescuers also had to carry out explanatory talks with fans of recreation and fishing, already mastering the first ice. Specialists handed out leaflets with the rules of behavior on the reservoirs in winter and explained why it's dangerous to go out on the ice now. Recall that the thickness of the ice should be 10 to 12 inches for a safe location on the ice. For the mass exit of people, at least 25 centimeters. Please take care of yourself and your loved ones.